Good morning, boys and girls. This is day 3 of our sort number 38. And in sort number 38, we're learning about our vowel word families. And we are going to learn how to write our sort down. So today what I need you to do is, first of all, I need you to pause the video and sort your words. Now that you've sorted your words, I can remove my covers because I've sorted them earlier so you can see what I did. Pause the video here and check that you have sorted them all in the correct place. All right, now that you've sorted them all in the correct place, I need you to get out your handy dandy notebook. I'm going to cover up this side, and I need you to go ahead and get your pencil out. You know that I'm going to write in marker because otherwise you can't see it that well. So the first thing I do is I write down the date. Today is 10-12-20. And this is our sort. So I'm going to just title this sort. And I'm going to underline it because it's my title and I'm going to check. Yep, I capitalized it. I know I have 4 categories. When I have 4 categories, I go down the middle and I draw, and I go and use this half and I find the middle of that half. And then I use this half and find the middle of that half. All right, now that I have 4 lines, I'm going to write down my headers. And my headers are add, ed. Remember that little line up front, that hyphen is there to let us know that there's some letters in the beginning, but that this is the ending. Ab and ob. And then I draw a line underneath it. So now what I need you to do is you need to go ahead and write down all the words we have. The way I do that is I take the card, I lay it up here on top of the header, and then I can write it down. Remember, we're writing on 1 line only in our notebook. I know we wrote on 2 lines in our cards because we wanted them to be bigger. And I take my next word. I'm going to skip a line and write it on the next line, because tomorrow we're going to code our words and we need that. Go ahead and pause the video here and write the rest of your AD words. I'm going to move them over. Now that you wrote all your AD words, put your word cards right away in the bag. And I'm going to write my ED words. And again, I'm going to lay it right on top so I can see. Take my next word. I want you to pause the video here and finish writing all your ED words. And I'm going to move these over here to be out of the way. Now I'm going to move my notebook over here. So I'm going to take my next column. I'm going to put the word on top of the column so I don't write it in the wrong spot. And remember to use neat handwriting. I'm going to take my next word, skip a line, and write it down. All right, now that I'm done with that, I need you to go ahead, pause the video, and write the rest of those words down. And I'm at my last group. I'm going to go ahead and write down, take the word, lay it on top so I don't write it in the wrong place. All right, go ahead and pause the video here and write your last 4 words down. When you are done, take a picture and post it on Class Dojo so I can see your beautiful work. See you next time.